Alright guys, CNC card breaks back again. The 2012 value boxes are out now. We picked up a couple. We're going to bust this one on camera. And let's see what we can get out of this. Comes with 2 hobby packs of Heritage. 5 packs of Top Series 1. A refractor card. There's our refractor card. There we go, empty. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, we got our giveaway and we got a King Griffey Jr. Alright, let's see what we get. Let's go with the tops first. Cabrera, Desmond Jennings, Pineda, Josh Hamill, Rayburn, Golden Greats, Sandy Koufax, Cal Ripken, James McDonald. These only have 8 cards per pack, so I don't see how that's a value. The regular have 12. Polino, Tabata, Latos, Billy Butler, Brzezinski, Jim Thome, Johnny Bench, Ben Revere. Ian Kennedy, who beat the Giants today, Eric Thames, Chipper Jones, Borges, Dienard, Orlando Hudson Gold, giveaway, Albert Pujols World Series. Let's kind of get through these. Pfister, Hudson, Hughes, Craig Kimbrell, Lucas Duda, Dexter Fowler, Chase Utley, 87 tops, and John Jay. Go. Scherholtz, Kimbrell, Dominguez, Venable, Daniel Bard, Babe Ruth Golden Greats, Aroldis Chapman, Jason Isringhausen. Alright, now these are hobby packs of Heritage, right? Yep, here we go. Netta, Mark Reynolds, Billy Butler, Jose Barsada, Chris Sale, Dempster, Ike Davis, Jason Marquis, and rookies. Gallardo, JJ Putz, Valverde, looks like we got a chrome refractor. Morneau, rookies and stars. Boston Red Sox, Adrian Beltre refractor. 469 out of 563. Pretty decent right there. Hafner, rookies and stars, and checklist. Alright guys, we got one more to do. Check that out next.